Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. It is time for our Heggerty sound skills. We are doing words in a sentence. Remember when we clap? I am going to do 4 sentences, and then Mrs. Hensley is going to ask you to hit the green add response button, and I'm going to give you the 2 sentences, but you're going to clap them yourself, okay? So here we go. I am going to clap. Today is going to be great. So here we go. Today is going to be great. Okay, let's count those. Today is going to be great. We've got 6 words. Today is going to be great. Okay, let's do Mickey Mouse is my favorite. Here we go. Mickey Mouse is my favorite. Now let's count them. Mickey Mouse is my favorite. 5 words in that sentence. Okay, Mrs. Wishy-Washy got upset. Let's clap it. Mrs. Wishy-Washy got up. Oh, Mrs. Hensley made a mistake. Here we go. Mrs. Wishy-Washy got upset. Okay, let's try that. Mrs. Wishy-Washy got upset. Upset is 1 word. Okay, Mrs. Wishy-Washy got upset. 5 words in that sentence. Okay, we learned about more yesterday. Let's clap that. We learned about more yesterday. Okay, here we go. Let's count it. We learned about more yesterday. 5 words in that sentence. We learned about more yesterday. Okay? Okay, friends. Now, Mrs. Hensley is going to give you these sentences, and it will be in the caption on the slides, okay? One of the sentences is, you ready? Mrs. Hensley can be silly. Mrs. Hensley can be silly. Okay, and then the other sentence is, and you're going to say this, and it's going to be to you too. I'm saying it to me, you're saying it to you. I am a special person. Okay? I am a special person. So those are the 2 sentences that you're going to clap to, and then you're going to say the words and how many, and then you're going to tell me how many. So you're going to have to videotape. Someone's going to have to videotape you doing this. So I can see you clapping, and I can see you counting, and then at the end you're going to say that sentence has however many words in it. That sentence has 5 words in it. Okay, so let's go over one more. I'm going to say Mickey Mouse is my favorite. This is how you're going to do it. But you're not going to say Mickey Mouse is my favorite. You're going to have 2 different sentences, okay? So you're going to say Mickey Mouse is my favorite. Mickey Mouse is my favorite. And then Mickey Mouse is my favorite. That sentence has 5 words in it. Okay, that's how you're going to do that. Again, your sentences are Mrs. Hensley is silly. No, Mrs. Hensley can be silly, or Mrs. Hensley is silly. I'll let you do either one of those. I am a special person. Okay, I am going to put those in your student templates. So make sure that you remember to do those with your assignment. I hope you have an awesome day today, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.